Hello, my name is Bezad Agdashi, and on this video I'm going to show you how to perform travel time reliability analysis for urban streets in STREETVAL 2015 engine. As you can see, our example facility has 4 segments and 5 intersections. In order to perform travel time reliability analysis, the user needs to pursue with the core analysis as we have demonstrated in our previous video. I'm going to use the same example that we have developed in our previous video to pursue with the travel time reliability analysis. In order to perform travel time reliability analysis, the first step is to generate reliability scenarios. In order to generate reliability scenarios, user needs to click on the generate scenarios under the reliability analysis frame. By clicking on the generate scenario button, reliability wizard will be opened where user can configure the travel time reliability analysis. This window is consisted of 4 tabs. The first tab is called setup, where user can specify general and global information and data regarding the reliability analysis. As an example, in this video I'm going to pick Urban Expressway as our functional class of the facility. I'm going to pick reliability reporting period RRP from 1st of January 2016 to January 31st 2016. I'm going to set the study period from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. and our traffic count date, which is associated with the STREETVAL or the core analysis that we have finalized, is March 11, 2006. Since the traffic count hour of our core analysis is 17:15, I'm going to set the traffic hour to 5 p.m. or 17. For this example, I have picked all weekdays that we have within the reliability reporting period. On the bottom portion of this window, we can set the work zones that has been ongoing during the reliability reporting period. For this example, I'm going to skip this step. By completing all the data that is required on the setup tab of this reliability wizard, user can pursue with the into the weather tab, where he or she can set up weather information regarding this reliability analysis. On the top portion of this window, user can set global information regarding weather characteristics for this reliability analysis. On the bottom portion of this screen, user needs to fill in the probabilities associated with different weather types. In the case of absence to access to the facility specific weather probabilities, user can click on this combo box and select the nearest metropolitan area to the facility, which in our case I'm going to pick Raleigh, North Carolina. I guess I passed it again. Alright, after selecting Raleigh, North Carolina, I can press the extract button where it extracts all the probabilities associated with different weather types for all months in the year. By finalizing all the information that we need to provide in the weather tab, we are ready to pursue with the demand configuration. In order to do this, we need to go to the third tab, which is called demand. On this tab, user needs to specify the relative demand adjustment factors for days of the week and months of the year, as well as hours in the day. As you see, all these values are pre-filled by the default values. Of course, user can go and override any of these values if he or she have access to facility specific data. For our example on this video, I'm going to leave all these adjustment factors same as default. By completing all the information that we need to finalize on this tab, we can pursue to the fourth tab, which is incidents, and here in this tab we need to configure all the characteristics that this facility has in terms of incidents for our travel time reliability analysis. The fourth tab is consisted of the 6 other tabs. On the general info for the incidents, in the top portion, user needs to specify global characteristics of different incident events. On the bottom portion of this window, user needs to specify the crash frequency in terms of number of crashes per year for each segment and each intersection of the facility. In the next 5 tabs, user needs to provide information regarding the distribution of different incidents in terms of severity for different weather types. As you see, the window for all of these tabs, they have designed in a similar way, and the only difference is that these numbers will be applied for different weather types for each scenario. The numbers in these 5 tabs are filled with default values, but user can go and override these values. As an example, I'm going to reduce the crash distribution, crash versus non-crash distribution for each segment to be 20% to 80%. By completing all the information that is required on this wizard, user is ready to generate reliability scenarios and pursue with travel time reliability analysis. In order to do this, user needs to click on the Create and Run button. By pressing this button, all reliability scenarios will be generated and will be evaluated based on the urban streets methodology. For our case, we had 168 scenarios, and we can go on the tree representation of this STREETVAL and take a look at all the scenarios that has been generated. The tree representation of the project, which contains all the scenarios, provides high-level information regarding each scenario. For example, scenario number 78 has a demand adjustment factor of 0.58 compared to our seed file, and also it has one incident. And if we hover on top of this scenario, a window will pop up which will show a more detailed information regarding the events that we have on this scenario. Also, user can click on any of these scenarios that he or she has interest on, and on the right side the facility, the main table of the facility will show that scenarios configuration, and user can go into input and output page for that scenario and take a closer look at the operational characteristic and performance measures for that scenario. In order to see the reliability performance measures of our travel time reliability analysis, user needs to click on the Output Summary button on top of the STREETVAL. By clicking on that, a window will be opened where user can see the reliability performance measures. On the top portion of this window, there is global information regarding our facility and reliability analysis. And then there are a couple of combo boxes that is designed to first pick the direction of interest and also the performance measure that we are interested to observe. On the bottom portion of this screen, key reliability performance measures are listed and all the values are reported. User can select different performance measures that they want to take a look at that. And also at the center of the screen, there are two distribution shows. One is PDF probability density function, and also CDF cumulative density function of the selected variable within our reliability analysis. If you find any bug or if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.